Welcome to a GemLab QuickTip, where we quickly go over the specific solution to a problem or setting you may not know about. Here's a quick tip that will save some of you from tearing your hair out. What do you do if you accidentally moved a window, accidentally closed a window, or just generally messed up your workspace? Reset it. To do this, go to Windows, Workspaces, Reset to Saved Layout. This will put all of your windows back to normal. As a bonus, if you find out that you're always reconfiguring your windows in Premiere and you just like them a specific way, you can make this layout a saved layout. Simply have the layout set up the way that you want it, and then go to Windows, Workspaces, Save as New Workspace. This will allow you to save your own customized version of whatever workspace you're working in. You can then go to Windows, Workspaces, Edit Workspace in order to switch the order that they appear in on your top bar so it's easier to get to. I hope you find this useful. If you do, maybe give the video a like or subscribe for more tips and tutorials on the channel. Good luck with all your editing projects.